Hello, my name is Marc Gebauer-Dunlop, and I'd like to welcome you to an overview of the benefits of test process improvement. We start off by looking at why do test process improvement. I'm sure you will all have experienced the frustration when projects keep on making the same mistakes, and no effort has been put in to ensure lessons are learned. Our research has told us that many organizational processes are not as efficient and effective as they could be, so it makes sense to make improvements to those processes, rather than continuing to pay the price for their inefficiencies. It has been said that you can't manage what you can't measure, and the process that is not structured or has common use makes it impossible to measure, and therefore we are fooling ourselves if we believe we are managing in these circumstances. What in fact we are doing is hoping and luck, or a few good people to get us through to compensate for the missing good practices and processes. We all know it's best to remove defects in anything as we build it. We wouldn't build a DIY project and then, after we had expended days, check we had built it correctly. We would check as we built. Otherwise any fix would cost a lot to fix. So, in software development, we need an effective defect prevention, quality and test process that can not only save money, but has also been proven to deliver projects earlier than planned. Having a common or industrialized process to test processes and software quality management also ensures that there is a better understanding of the quality of the software being delivered, enabling the test team to provide accurate information to the project sponsor leading up to and during the go-live stage. One of the significant issues that organizations face today is a dependency on specific individuals, who are the ones who understand the process that's in use. It's their process. By implementing common, efficient process, everyone understands what to do, and hence there is a reduction or removal in the dependency on key people or heroes. There are many documented approaches to improvement processes. Experimentus employs improve, which is based on the original Deming plan, act, do, review cycle. The structure of improve ensures we can not only guarantee the delivery and implementation of a repeatable industrialized process, but can also measure the return on investment for the improvements. The most important and most forgotten step in this process is to measure the start point to ensure the benefits of the change can be seen. To ensure we obtain accurate current state assessment for the measure stage, we have selected to use TMMi as the measure because it enables consistent identification of exactly what works and what doesn't. It also enables the identification of what needs to change. The outputs from TMMi also ensure that we can assess the relative priorities of any recommended improvements, and also the improvement plan can be developed with minimal effort. Moreover, the TMMi model is now recognized as the industry standard model for assessing test and quality capability. It is owned, supported and managed by the TMMi Foundation and is freely downloadable from the Foundation website. We are very proud that we are the only consultancy in the UK who have not only had their approach to measure, which is the TMMi assessment method, reviewed and subsequently accredited, but also all of our assessors have been accredited as capable assessors by the Foundation, something that should reassure any client of our credentials. For more details on TMMi, see the Introduction to TMMi presentation available from the Experimentus website. There are many benefits which result from test process improvement. I summarize them by categorizing them primarily into three areas. The first is the industrialization of processes. Once you have a lean, appropriate, repeatable, effective and efficient process specific to the way that your business operates, means you are not reliant on particular individuals or in many cases heroes. The second is that it delivers improvements to quality of the software, which impact not only on your organization's reputation and business opportunities, but also has an impact on operations by being able to manage the complete software quality lifecycle, changing the emphasis from defect detection to defect prevention ongoing, and as we have seen evidenced, the reduction in the cost of support of the software in a live environment, having a more effective identification and management of risks and costs, and all engendering a self-improvement culture within the organization. These quality improvements also have a financial impact, which is the third area. The experience of Experimenter's clients is that we have always shown a benefit whenever we have been asked to manage the process improvements. Some examples are: a government client had cost savings of up to 60% on before and after comparisons, achieving at the same time better quality deliverable. For a major UK bank, contributing 8% of a 10% cost reduction target for an entire IT budget. Similarly, a major insurer saved £440,000 on a £2 million mission critical project, dramatically increasing the efficiency on this and future projects. And for a retailer, we saved at least 12% on every project after improvements had been implemented. This also had a knock-on effect of increasing development output by 12%. For a large test service provider, we increased their efficiency by 8%, as well as an increase in their effectiveness of operations by 11%, which went straight to their bottom line on the fixed price contract. The final example will be of interest to a lot of organizations thinking about outsourcing test and quality. A major UK retailer reversed their decision to outsource when, together with a solid return on investment calculation, it was shown that it would be a lot cheaper to improve their internal processes than to outsource. Certainly food for thought. Thank you for viewing this Experimenter's presentation, which is one of a number we are producing to explain TMMi and test process improvement. Should you require any further information on TMMi and how experimenters use it, please contact us via the contact information currently on your screen. Thank you.